Hi, this is Kate Sanchez from the English department, and this video will teach you how to use Screencast-O-Matic and then upload your videos onto YouTube. Because I'm making this video on Screencast-O-Matic and uploading it onto YouTube, I've taken a bunch of screenshots to show you what the process is like. So the first thing that happens is you open on your screen whatever you would like to record, or if you're just going to make a video of your face, you can just open up Screencast-O-Matic. And when you open up the Screencast-O-Matic, this is just the free version that I'm using, it will give you the choice of recording your screen, your webcam, which would just be you or whatever is in your webcam, or both. So for this particular video, I decided to use both. So you can see when I choose both, my screen is here and I am here waving in the bottom right hand corner. All right, so from there, you would press record to get started, and then when you're done, you'll press the pause button here. Right now it says play, but you would press pause to stop it, and then you can click done. Now, if for some reason you don't like your video or you messed up, you can always click the trash bin here to delete it, and you can start over again. After you've clicked done, they'll give you these choices. Do you want to edit the video, which you could do right then and there, or you could save and upload it into YouTube. So I click Save Upload. From there, I would click Upload to YouTube. And then you have to enter your information. So you would have to actually enter your account information here and sign into your YouTube channel. Now, if you have a Google account, a Gmail, you can create your own YouTube channel based on that information. So I've created my own Gmail account, my own Google account as Professor Sanchez CCP, and that way I can put all my videos for CCP up on that page. You can create a title for the video, which will show up on YouTube, and then there's some other information that you can edit if you'd like. When you click publish, it will automatically publish onto your YouTube page. And this is what you'll get when it's finished uploading to YouTube. So it will, it's finished. So you can click done and then go to your YouTube page. It should pop up right here as the first video, Why College? That's the one I was making. And then from there, you can click on the video, you can watch it, and you can also edit it from there within your YouTube channel. I hope this has been helpful and you can make lots of beautiful videos for your students. Take care, everyone.